Jai Srimanarayana. Fourth sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Nischayam srunu me tatra tyage bharata sattama त्यागो हि पुरुषव्याघ्र त्रिविधः संप्रकीर्तितः। ओम Realize and always remember that Sri Krishna Paramatma's decision is final decision. Sri Krishna Paramatma's judgment is final judgment. Respectfully disregard all other contradictory opinions arising around you. Take Krishna Paramatma's word as final, as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita. Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall realize and I shall always remember that your decision is final decision. Your judgment is final judgment. O Krishna, I shall always take your word as final word. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 364th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Brahmana's wives saying to Krishna like this, "Oh Krishna, na anya bhavet gatihi. You are only the shelter we have. Krishna, we surrender to you." Like that, when they said, Krishna Paramatma saying, "Oh my dear Brahmana's wives, patayah na abhyasuyeran pitru bhratru sutadayah lokaschavo mayopeta deva api anumanvate." Your husbands, your fathers, your brothers, your siblings, your children, your relatives, and even other people, nobody will reject you all. Even devatas would not reject you all, because whoever has a connection with me, they will be respected by this entire universe. So, my dear devotees, my dear women, what it is na deha sangambu narulakella సౌఖ్యానురాగ సంజనకంబుకాదు ముక్తిప్రదాయకమునా కీర్తనమున దర్శనాకర్ణన ధ్యానంబులను కర్మబంధదేహంబుల బాసి మీరు మానసంబులు నాయందు మరుగచేసి నన్ను చేరెదరు అటమీద నమ్ముడనుచూ. Oh my dear devotees, more than being just with me physically, those who always thinks about me, those who engages their mind with me, those who always listens to my divine stories, those who always meditates upon my divine qualities, they will attain more bhakti, devotion on me. With that, they will definitely reach me. You all will reach me like that. Like that, Krishna Paramatma comforted all the Brahmanas' wives, and then Varalu dechina bhakshanadulu aptavargamuto hari araginche. After that, Krishna Paramatma along with his friends ate all the food that Brahmana's wives brought. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 4th sloka. Nishchayam shrunume tatra tyage bharata sattama tyago hi purushavyagra trividhas samprakirtitaha. Nishchayam shrunume tatra tyage bharata sattama tyago hi purushavyagra trividhas samprakirtitaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.